how to use Clickup. To start, open Clickup, and then here you will see the different items in your homepage under the Recents tab. But first, what is Clickup? So Clickup is a comprehensive cloud-based work management platform designed to help teams manage projects, collaborate, and track progress in a centralized location. So in the recent tabs, we could add tasks. So tap create and then let's select task. So for example, we are going to add a new task here by grocery. You could add assignees. You could assign it to yourself. And then we could set the date, for example, on Tuesday. And then tap create. So the task is already created. Let's check it in my work. Tap my work. And then here you will see buy grocery. So we could also add the task on a different date. For example, on Friday, we could add pick up flowers. And then let's tap create. So in here, you need to connect it to a list. So tap select a list and then tap personal list. Tap done and then tap create. Okay, so you will see that there's already the pickup flowers on this date. Then tap home. So you will see all your tasks in the Recents tab. So that's it. That's how to use ClickUp.